Roads carry people and goods to participate in the development of countries, creating connections between cities and territories. Roads have been built for these reasons, kilometer by kilometer, for thousands of years. 700,000 kilometers of new roads are built worldwide each year to ensure the safety of users regardless of weather and environmental conditions. This makes road investments one of the most important public assets in operation for all governments. Because each road is unique, it's a serious challenge to define sustainable and cost-effective solutions adapted to local environmental resources. This is why LafargeHolcim is launching ORIS, a sourcing intelligence for road optimization to transform the way the road is built sustainably. ORIS is a digital material platform based on LafargeHolcim's global knowledge on construction materials and fueled by artificial intelligence to assess road design in a holistic view, down to construction and maintenance feasibility. Thanks to a powerful algorithm, ORIS helps analyze local natural resources, optimize construction budgets, increase sustainability, and mitigate greenhouse gas emissions. Bringing material knowledge to each road project, ORIS leads to smart consumption of local resources, while potentially cutting CO2 footprint by 2 and decreasing road construction cost by up to 30%. Use ORIS for your future projects and pave the way for sustainable roads.